Look at what?
Look at that. See the scenes? Look at them moving. I made buttons. That's cool. Okay, so I thought I could make a mute button on this too, but I don't know how to do that. More actions. Oh my god, there's so much. Toggle or set octave. Yeah! Oh, I can install stuff? This thing is so... This thing's nuts. Set audio device, toggle audio device. Would that be a mute button? Microphone. Direction. Oh boy. Yeah. Okay. I gotta turn on the thingy.
What thing?
The actual audio mixer soundboard thing.
Nice. That thingy.
Yeah, that thingy.
That thingy. Okay, got it.
What do we call that?
That is just soundboard. No?
Audio interface.
Yeah, that's the ones.
Fancy word.
Yep. Go for it.
You don't know how to turn on?
I don't know where the button is.
It's back here.
Oh, I see. It was hiding. Got it.
The only way you can tell it's there is because it's between the two cords.
I see. Oh, I just did a rookie mistake. My finger was all up in this shot for a second.
Oh. Rookie mistake. There it is. USB audio codec. So boom. Roll. Default. Not sure. Input. I think. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, yeah. USB audio. Okay. So now, like, if I press it, does that... Oh, boy. I don't know what that did.
But the pictures are on the thing.
I don't think this was right. I don't think this... Because I think it's switching audio devices. I just want it to mute. Can I take a thing over here and just... Like, audio... How do I do a mute button? Hotkeys.
Technology versus YouTuber. Who will win?
Text? No. Play audio.
It's funny because the first one you laid down, you're like, oh, this is so easy.
And now it's like, oh boy. I have a soundboard though. That's kind of crazy. So I could load in like different sound effects and like play them if I wanted.
That's funny. She was thinking of getting you a separate soundboard thing.
This thing apparently works as one.
Oh, she's going to be so happy to hear that. That was the other thing she was debating. I said
Really?
that was cool, but this one would be a lot more useful.
Oh, definitely.
She said, yeah. She was happy.
Activate/deactivate an audio source.
That sounds like it.
That sounds right. Okay. Mic. Mic/aux. Oh, I see. Right. Okay. Hold on. I don't remember what it is. Audio mic 2. So if I do mic 2, okay, and then yeah, so now it's on, now it's off. That's a mute button right there. That's so cool. That's pretty awesome. I'm glad I could figure that out.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead.
I think that's all we need.
Oh, I'm sure there's more we need that we're not thinking about right now. I'm gonna let him finish playing with his toy. Any last statements?
This is the bestest ever.
Perfect.
Thanks, guys.